Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for your PC. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos.
First, there was the computer, and then the mouse, and productivity increased, painfully, with single-handed reaching and gripping, putting stress on the dominant shoulder, forearm, and hand. Introducing Roller Mouse Red. Computer cursor control evolved. Work in a more natural position with two hands, reducing shoulder, forearm, and hand strain and pain, and increase productivity by putting critical function keys at your fingertips. The Roller Mouse Red, strain and pain-free productivity is finally here.
If you're really into mobile PC gaming, you'll have to deal with overheating. This cooling fan is a fantastic option for both Android and iOS. It's fairly elegant and completely pocketable with its backlit layout. Still, there are 3 degrees of wind strength to pick from. The integrated 700 mAh battery ensures you can make use of the device on the go. It attaches with a basic press and can be additionally paired with other devices. Its ergonomic design gives an excellent grasp, while a removable button as well as joystick offer you extra control and also improve your fight abilities. Or these finger sleeves, particularly designed for FPS core games. They're extra comfy to the phone display. They take in the sweat as well as they're breathable. All that guarantees a smooth and also outstanding PC gaming experience. 3-way combination.
New version of firmware usually includes new security and bug fixes. You can either live update or update manually. Before we get started, make sure that the router is connected to the PC and internet. And you can see that the router's LED light is on. Now let's start the live update. First, open a browser and type router.asus.com. Navigate to router setting page. Enter your router login name and password. Click Sign In to enter the setting page. Go to the firmware upgrade setting page. Check whether any new version of the firmware is available. If there is, the version and update button would appear. Then you can start updating the firmware. Do not power off or shut down the router during the upload. Please wait for a few minutes until the upload is completed. After the update is completed, you will see the router settings page. Then log in to the router again. Enter your router login name and password. Click Sign In to enter the setting page. Now, the router firmware version is up to date. The other way is to manually update. Navigate to ASUS website. Enter your router name. We use RTAC68U router as an example. Find the firmware files under the product support page. Check whether any new version of the firmware is available. Download the latest version of the firmware for your laptop or PC. The firmware file needs to be unzipped before the update. Go to the firmware upgrade setting page. Select the firmware file you just downloaded. Do not power down or shut down the router during the upload. Please wait for a few minutes until the upload is completed. After the update is completed, you will see the router settings page. Then log in to the router again. Enter your router login name and password. Click Sign In to enter the setting page. Now, the router firmware version is up to date.
This is called Amplify HD. Solid coverage, over 20,000 square feet. You've got the router itself, and then you've got these two mesh units. And these 3 units will then speak together, creating a blanket. Woo! Woo! Look at that unboxing experience. Wow. Factory fresh. These here are the mesh points. Look at that. Oh my, that's a... Wow, that's a magnet! When you plug this in, this display lights up. Little glowing light along bottom. Next step is to launch the application. It finds the router. So we're now connected. You can see the reception of each of the mesh points. You gotta check these guys out. That's the bottom line.
Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. Thanks for tuning in. How's everyone doing today? Thanks for the brand new sub, Monster. Aw, chat. How am I losing to this guy? No. Cheers.